In this tutorial, I'll show you how to only render shadows in the scene. I'll also show you how to turn any objects into a transparent object in the scene. I'm using cycles, and I have turned on the transparency. This is a simple sphere and a plain scene with sky texture as the environment light. We need to go to the visibility settings. This is where we get a full control over what in the scene will be shown or hidden in the final render. We can hide any objects only in the viewport, or from the final render image. The shadow catcher will make any objects invisible, and when the same effect is applied to the ground, only the shadow will be visible. We can either use Blender's compositor, or use external applications to fill the transparent region with another image. This is one way to only render the shadows. Let's select the plane, and use the shadow catcher. We can render any objects with shadows and mix that image with other 3D images or photographs. This is the basic Hollywood-style special effects workflow. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.